Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to give you some information about the BI specialist analogy and what are the different things that you must know if you want to switch your career or you want to become a data specialist or BI intelligence specialist. Okay, so when I say the BI is nothing but the business intelligence, and it is a sector or the position where the business visualization and reporting work done. Okay, so what are the different things comes under the BI, and what are the things that you must know that I'm going to discuss here. So I will divide these concept or these particular position into two parts. This is a job role actually. So the first part is like backend, and second part is front end. Okay, so when I say backend is nothing but the server, the database, the programming skill, and majorly it is like writing the SQL query, and so that kind of things comes under the backend. Okay, in front end, the tools that we already know like Tableau, then Power BI, and there are lots of other tools are there, so visualization tools. Okay, so this will fall under the front end. To make the connection between the servers or database to the visualization tool, we need the ETL. That is a third part. So if you want to be a very good BI specialist, then you must know the backend work, the ETL work, and then the front end work. Okay, so let's discuss about the backend first. Okay, so when I say backend, so it is like the databases, different databases like the Oracle and other cloud, and different databases. It is not limited to any specific database. And in the database, like, you must know how to write a query, creating views, creating workflows. Okay, so these are thoroughly depending upon the exact business requirement. That if you know what are the visualization you want to create, then you will identify the specific fields that you need to create that visualization. If that fields are no not present into the script, then you have to modify or write the backend script where you have to perform the multiple joins or lots of other logical operation. Okay, so that kind of activity will come in backend side to optimize the query, to write the query, to identify the different databases, different tables, or the different data warehouses that you need to connect with each other, and yeah, just make the easiest script so that it will be easily retrievable. So that kind of things come under the backend. Okay, now once your table, the exact fields or exact query or exact view is ready, I will call it as a table for now. Now you have to connect this with the visualization. So for that you need the ETL process, right? So for that, if you are using Oracle database or any on-prem database, then you will have the direct connection with the Tableau, so you can use it. But what if you do not have? So in that case, the ETL will come into the picture. So in ETL, you must know how to write a SQL query to create view. Second, you must know the ETL tools like Alteryx, Informatica, and or there are lots of other ETL tools are there, but as per the project requirement, you should know the very good understanding of how to use the ETL tools. So basically this tool will make the connection between your database to the ETL, and it will be push the relevant data to your visualization tool connector or visualization server. Okay, so just take an example over here. So let's say I have the database in cloud. I am using the ETL to extract, transform and load that particular data set, and I'm pushing that to the Tableau server or Tableau online, and from here I am using that as an extract to create my charts in visualization. So ETL will come over here, and you must know how to use it, how to make it more perfect and more easy to retrieve the data. Then once you are done with your ETL part, then you should know how to use the multiple calculations in the front end, like in Tableau or in Power BI, and create the effective visualization. Okay, so once that visualization created, you have to share that to the server or the specific network where the users can see it. So in that case, the automation part will come into the picture, where you have to set the daily refresh or monthly refresh or weekly refresh of your report, so that the users will see the updated report after a particular time frame. Okay, so this is how the basic flow works in BI intelligence. And if you know these things already, then well and good, but if you don't know, then you need to work on specific skill. That if you are not holding an appropriate skill, then very first skill is writing SQL query is very important. Second, the knowledge of ETL tool and how ETL works, that is very important. Third is you should have very good practice, hands-on practice on any visualization tool. Okay, and the fourth one is the server administration. Okay, so this is like maintaining the extracts, keeping the track of the daily refresh or monthly refresh, and try to optimize the visualization into the server. So that is also important. So these all four things comes under the BI. Okay, so if you want to become a BI specialist, then you must know these four things, and if you know these, then yeah, you can easily switch your career into the BI specialist. Okay, so hope you understood this video, and if you like this, you can hit a thumbs up button, and you can add your thoughts into the comment section. So do let me know what are the different things you are looking for, so I can make a next video on that topic. Till then, happy learning, take care, bye bye.